Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. Today, coming at you with another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. And today I'm inspecting a 2-year-old travel trailer, and I'm up on the ladder right now. This is a really small travel trailer. I typically don't walk those roofs. I walk my ladder around them. But I do want to show you what I see on this. A lot of people might not even think to look for. So let me turn this around. So we're looking at a Coleman air conditioner, and that black part on the outside of the air conditioner is called a shroud. And if we zoom in, notice how the bottom of that shroud kind of V's upward. There's a little metal tab there, and that shroud is supposed to be below that metal tab. So what we're doing is we're just allowing air to get up behind that shroud while we're traveling, things like that. We don't want to damage the RV, obviously, so we want to get that taken care of before you purchase that RV, obviously. Or if you purchase it like that, make sure it gets fixed right away. So with your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, make sure you're checking those AC shrouds. And this is Jason, and you have a nice day.